Let's see. Today I had a drumline competition, so I'm pretty wiped out from that. In case you're wondering, I'm doing a video with sunglasses on because Ambria did it, so take that, pretty much. Hey, so I came home from school today, and I went to the fridge because I was hungry, and I open it up, look inside, and well, you know what? Let's just go to a flashback sequence. No! We're out of pumpkin roll! What do I do, YouTube? What if Mother doesn't have time to make more? Or what if she doesn't want to make more? I don't know why you wouldn't want to, but what am I supposed to do? I guess I can eat some, like, apples or something. Get that, like, nutrition stuff or whatever.